Welcome to Vedclass. In today's video, we are going to see how you can make the papers from Vedclass paper generations application. For today's part, we are going to see MCQ plus MCQ type papers, means according to NEET exam patterns paper. So let's start our video. First, you have to download the Vedclass PDF application, then log into it, then go to the dashboard options. Here you are able to see the PDF icon. So click on the first PDF icon, then click on the add button. After that, you have to write the name of the exam. You can write, for example, NEET exam. It's up to you. You can write anything you want in this one. Then select the module. Right now we are going to go for the NEET paper. So we are selecting JEE NEET 11-12. Then exam type. As I said earlier, today we are going to see MCQ plus MCQ type. So click on the MCQ plus MCQ. Then language. Click on the English language. If you want Gujarati paper, then you can go for the Gujarati language. Then standard. You can either go for the 11 or 12, or you can go for the combined paper as well. Right now we are going for the 12 standard. Then subject. Which subject paper you want to create? You can create single paper subject or multiple subject paper as well. So for today's video, we are going to for the multiple physics, chemistry and biology. Then there are two more options, section A optionals and section B optionals. What is it used for? Section B optionals, let's say in the NEET patterns, first 35 questions are compulsory. In second part, out of 15 questions, 5 are the optionals. So we go for the section B as a optional. Then write down the number of questions. For physics 12, we write here 35 questions. In section B, 15 questions. Out of 15s, 5 are optional. So in optional box, we write 5. Similarly, chemistry, here 35, 15 and 5. Then biology, we write here, for example, 70, here 30 and here 10. You can write number of questions according to your needs. Maximum number of questions can be 200. Now click on the create button to create your paper. Now your paper is created. Now you have to add your questions into your papers. Just select your subject, physics, chemistry, biology. Select your chapters. For example, physics, we select electrostatics and current. Other chapters are locked because this is a trial account. If you have a paid account, then all chapters will be unlocked. Then in chemistry, select any chapters. Similarly, biology, you can select number of chapters. After that, you can also go for the subtopic selection, but it is not compulsory. We will leave it at that. You can also go for the levels. For example, NEET pattern, many questions are from easy and medium levels. So you can click on the easy medium levels. Then MCQ. What is the MCQ? It is used if you want to use the only previous year questions. For example, if you want only NEET ask questions or JEE ask questions, then you can go for these options. Otherwise, it is not required to select. Then there are two more options, not repeat and textbook and its base. So what is not repeat used for? For example, today you are creating any one exam from some chapters. If you want same chapters exam tomorrow as well, then what will you require? The questions won't be repeated from today's exam. So if you click on the not repeat options, then previous exam question paper questions won't be repeated. Textbook and its base options. If you want to create a paper only for the NEET NCERT base papers, then you can go for the textbook and its base. Okay, it will be only according to NCERT base. Right now we are not selecting anything. Just click on the search icon. Here, according to your chapter selections, questions will be loaded. Here you can see all the questions are showing here, but only questions are showing. We again go for the, here you will see options and solution option. If you click on the options, then you are able to see the options. If you click on the solutions, you also see the solutions. If you want any of these questions to add into your paper, just click on the MCQ button. Click on the MCQ button. these questions will be added. If you want other subjects, here you can go for the other chapter, for example electrochemistry, then electrochemistry questions will be here. Add some of these questions. Go for the biology chapters and add some of these questions. So this is the method of the manual selections of the question. But if you don't have a time to select manually one by one questions, then you can go for the auto generate options from here. Click on the auto generate. Again you will be able to give the two choices, delete all questions and keep all questions. Here as you can see, we already added some questions from manual selections. So it is asking you, do you want to delete those questions or do you want to keep those manual selection questions and add only the not added questions? Right now we go for the keep all questions. Here you can see all the questions are auto generated. All the 100 out of 100 are added from biology, 50 out of 50 chemistry, 50 out of 50 physics. Now click on the PDF questions icon. Here you can see all the questions added into your papers. Again similarly, if you click on the options option, then you will be able to see the options. If you click on the solutions button, you can see the solutions. If you see any one of the questions you don't require in your exam, just click on the cross button given here and you can delete these questions and add another questions. If you want to delete multiple questions, then click on checkbox from here. Then go to the bottom of the page. Here click on the action button, click on the delete and click on the apply. Then all the checkbox questions will be deleted at once. Now after creating the paper and adding the questions, we want to download a PDF. Here is the download options. Click on the questions. If you require questions in paper, answer key, solutions, MCQ here. If you want papers in a 2 column, click on the 2 column options. Then click on the download PDF. Here you will be able to see the formatting options. If you want your own logo in your paper, just click on here, pencil button, upload your logo, then your logo will be added into papers. You can write your organization name here. If you don't want logo or you want to add a watermark, then you can go for watermark as well. You can write your watermark text here. Also you can resize your watermark. If you want large size watermark or small size watermark, if you want dark watermark or light watermark, you can resize it from here. PDF font size. You can also add a font size. If you want small fonts, you can go for the smaller fonts. If you want large font, you can go for the larger fonts. Exam date you can set from here. Exam time you can set. Number start from. If you want to start your question paper number from the first equation, you can go for first. If you want to start from the 51, you can click on the 51. Then paper set. You can create 3 types of paper set from these applications. Now click on the download button. Then your paper will be downloaded. Here your paper downloaded and open. As you can see all the questions from here. First physics subject, then section B, MCQ. Here it is written attempt any 10 because we wrote 5 as optionals. Then again chemistry subject, and below is a biology subject. After question paper you will be able to see the answer key, then solutions. So this type of paper you can create from Vedclass paper generation application. If you have any query regarding this, you can WhatsApp us on our support numbers. Okay, like our video, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.